Mike Sweeney with SweeneyMarketingGroup.com, and in today's question, it's about network marketing. And if you're a network marketer or looking to get into a network marketing business, this is part two of a three-part series that I'm doing about questions that you should be asking before you join your opportunity, before you join your business that you're looking to get into. And in today's questions, we're going to concentrate on questions you should be asking the team that you'll be working with, or the direct person that is going to be sponsoring you, the team that they are part of, that you are going to become involved with. So I've got three questions that you want to ask them, the person directly who you're working with, and the team, so that you can have an idea of the people that you're going to be involved with that are going to help and support you with your business. Before I get to those three questions, down below there's an area to subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe so that you can get notified when part three is released on this. And in part three, we're going to be talking about four questions that you need to ask yourself before you get involved in network marketing, a home business. So let's jump into these three questions regarding the team that you'll be working with. And the first question that you need to think about and ask yourself is, did you like the way that you were invited into the opportunity? Did you like the way that you were asked to look at a specific presentation, or the way that you were talked to about the business? Did you ask questions, and were the people professional in their approach? Did they have some fun with you? Because there's nothing wrong with having some fun in business, because you can't take everything serious. But the thing about network marketing is it's a people to people. It's a very people to people business, and you need to have fun with the people that you work with, and you need to have fun with the people that you're going to be prospecting with and trying to get involved working with you. But you also have to have a professional part of it, where you can provide answers and you can give some valuable input into what the opportunity can do for them, what it's done for you yourself personally, and you need to be able to bring them into a group of people that have a common mindset, a common outlook of what they're trying to achieve or what they're trying to overcome. Because having that support system and having that group or a person that you can go when you're having either a problem or some issues, or maybe you're just having a bad day and you need a person that you can just kind of vent to, or just try and figure out, okay, I've done this but it doesn't seem to be working, what exactly am I doing wrong? I mean, that is what a team is for, and that is what your direct sponsor is for, to kind of help you, push you along, or point you in directions where you can either find resources, get resources, or get some help to get you over hurdles that you come into. And a lot of times it's going to come down to you, going ahead and finding the resource, or being resourceful enough to go out and find the answer for a certain question or for a certain problem that you're having. And in many cases, people in the group have probably had a similar problem or a similar issue. And that's the importance of working with a team, because when you're involved in that type of a community, most of those things are going to be shared in either a group setting or in some type of a training platform where you're going to have access to, so that when you do come upon a situation that you're not sure how you should handle it, or if you can handle it, then you have a place to go where you can get those types of things resolved. So the first question is, how were you brought into the group? What did you like about the way it was presented to you? And how were you approached and talked to? So that's the first thing that you want to be asking. Second thing is, regarding the team or the group, do you like the values and the principles of the people that you're going to be working with? I mean, you're going to be, in most cases, communicating with these people on a weekly basis, sometimes more than once a week, but most teams now have some type of a weekly group setting where they sit down and they review either a specific training um, aspect of the business, or they'll sit down and discuss certain questions that people are having, or they're going to sit down and talk about certain activities that are working for people, and getting feedback from the people that are part of the team, because it just helps boost and elevate everyone else in the group. So you want to look at how, what are the values of those people? What do you have in common with them? What do you like about it? How have they been helpful to you? What principles do they stand by? And keep those two things in mind, values and principles, because they're very important, because you want to be able to pass those along as you grow your own business and build your own team, because people are going to be asking these questions of you at some point, and you need to be able to address them. Or if you're brand new and it's all new to you, you need to be able to point people in the area or to the person where they can get their questions answered. There's nothing wrong. Excuse me. There's nothing wrong with being the third party in getting people to find the information that they need, find the answers that they need, get the help and support that they need, because everyone is new in this at some point, and everyone needs to be able to get help, find support, and that's what the group is for. So values and principles are important about the team that you'll be working with and the people that you'll be involved with directly. And then the third question is, when it comes to the group, or when it comes to the person that is sponsoring you directly, what is their level of experience? And from a group standpoint, you can have a number of leaders within that group that have been in the industry for a number of years. So their leadership level, their experience level, how professional they are, their knowledge, their skills are going to be at a little bit higher level than someone that's brand new to this and coming in. So when it comes to asking the experience level of the person that sponsored you, because they may be new, but they're a very big go-getter, and they're just action takers, and that's what it takes to really succeed in this business, is just going out and starting to take action, to do the things that the people are telling you to do. And that falls back on you to take the information they're giving you, take the action steps that they're giving you, and implement them. Implement them fast. And the way to build a team fast is to have a system where the system needs to be simple, and it needs to be short, and not a lot of moving parts in it. The more that you can reduce the number of things that people have to learn from the start, the faster they're going to be able to obviously start taking action and start implementing some things to get their business moving, because the initial start is going to take the heaviest push for you, because once you get the thing rolling, once you get it started, it's going to start to move a little bit on its own, and then you just have to keep applying that force behind it to pick it up, and the business will grow in that type of momentum stage. So follow what people are doing in the group, follow what people are telling you, follow what your sponsor's telling you to do, And it needs to be a system where you can implement it and you can take action quickly so that you're starting to build your business, and seeing results, because that's the thing that people want to see is results. But you also have to make sure to get results, there's certain things that need to be done. Obviously, you can't just sign up and expect that this is just going to happen magically, because it won't. There's a reason why people are successful in this business, and you need to get in their back pocket. You need to be in their mind. You need to be hear their voice. You need to have the enthusiasm in your business to follow through with the things that you're being told to do. So those three questions, did you like the way that you were brought into the group, the way that the opportunity was presented to you? Do you like the values and the principles? Number two, do you like the values and the principles? And then number three is the experience level of the people that you're going to be involved with. So you want to do a little bit of, just some research on it, or just getting to know some of the people, and that will help you determine, whether this is going to be a good fit for you, because it may not be for everybody, and you need to be able to really just just have the self instinct within yourself to know that yes, this is something that you resonate with. This is something that you can see yourself doing. This is something that you want to do, because you got to want to do it. And if you see yourself wanting to do it and you feel it within you that it's something that you can do, then yes, that's the time that you want to go ahead, move forward, get started, get plugged into your group, start taking the action that they're telling you to do, and take it every day. Action, action, action. Every day there should be specific steps that you need to do to get people into your business, to get leads into your business that you can talk to. Obviously, prospecting is a big thing, and then the follow-up with it. Getting appointments where you can speak to people or show them the presentation and introduce them to the group, just like you were brought into the group. You want to follow those same specific steps, those same specific actions, and you want to just keep doing them, keep doing them, keep doing them, because the more you do them, the better you're going to get. The better you get, the better results you're going to get, and the quicker results you're going to get. So concentrate on those three areas, and I think network marketing would be a very good fit for you. So I'll be back with part 3, and in part 3 we're going to talk about 4 questions that you should be asking yourself. So stay tuned for that, and I'll be back. Subscribe to the channel. If you have questions, drop them below and I'll get right to them. Thanks. Appreciate your time.